Before eliminating the abnormality of automatic leveling function, please check whether the left and right Z-axis limit switch wires are tightly inserted and whether the hotbed and hotend are wobbly. They can be adjusted if necessary. Auto-leveling will fail if the hotend cannot be heated. You can first check the hotend cables on the motherboard to see whether it is loose or damaged. If it shows -15 degrees, please check the motherboard connection wire and thermistor wire. If the strain gauge is not working, please check the strain gauge connecting wire. The main component responsible for leveling issues is the strain gauge that supports the hotend. Check whether the hotend mounting screws are fastened. Uninstall the hotend. Check whether the strain gauge mounting screws are fastened. If still not working, remove the strain gauge and check whether the strain gauge is broken.